The University of Petroleum and Energy Studies, or UPES, is a private university located in Dehradun, Uttarakhand, offering a diverse range of programs across its 7 schools, including advanced engineering, design, health sciences, and law. Today, we will focus on the UPES School of Law, which has received an overall rating of 3.8 stars from students on Shiksha.com. How is the BBA LLB Honours program here? Let's find out in this detailed college review. Starting right off with placements rated 3.3 out of 5 stars by students on Shiksha.com. According to the NIRF 2024 report, 375 students graduated from the 5-year UG program in 2022-23. Of these, 296 students secured placements, while 42 students opted for higher studies. Students report that companies such as EY, Tata, Adani, Panag and Babu, Khaitan, Eaton and Pramita visit the campus offering roles such as that of corporate lawyer, legal advisor consultant, in-house counsel, finance manager, legal analyst, company secretary, research assistant, associate lawyer, human resource manager and public prosecutor. The highest salary package reported was 16.6 lakh per annum, while the median package was 4.5 lakh per annum, reflecting a substantial increase from previous years. When compared to the neighbouring universities such as Lovely Professional University Jalandhar and Amity University Gurgaon, UPES stands out in terms of better packages for its BBA LLB Honours graduates. As for internships, students receive opportunities at various firms such as LKS, JSA and Adani. Meanwhile, regarding academics, UPES School of Law offers a BBA LLB Honours program rated 3.7 by students. The program offers 10 specializations, including disruptive technologies law, banking and insolvency laws, among others. To qualify for admission, applicants must have a minimum of 50% in both 10th and 12th. Admissions are primarily through UPES Legal Studies Aptitude Test, although seats are also available via CLAT merit and other criteria. As for the cost, the total course fees for the 5-year BBA LLB Honours program is approximately 18 lakh rupees. Meanwhile, hostel charges ranges from 1.74 lakhs to 2.41 lakhs per year, depending on the facilities availed. Scholarships are available based on merit, sports achievements, economic conditions and other criteria. Moving on now to the 4.1 star rated infrastructure. Students appreciate the campus's well-maintained infrastructure and amenities. Academic facilities include modern classrooms with projectors, an in-house moot court, a well-stocked library, and campus-wide Wi-Fi. For accommodation, the campus provides separate hostels for boys and girls, offering double or triple sharing room options for common or attached washrooms. A convenient weekend bus service connects students to the city. The food court and cafe receive high praise for their quality, while sports enthusiasts enjoy access to basketball, football, table tennis, badminton, and an on-campus gym. Medical care is readily available with an infirmary for first aid and other on-campus healthcare services. Turning our attention to faculty and course rated 4 stars. The faculty is known for its supportive approach, particularly during specialization selection in the 6th semester. Minors in commercial and industrial law or private law are available with a 75% attendance requirement. The curriculum is updated annually to reflect the latest legal developments. Experiential learning includes moot court sessions and interactions with top law firms like Khaitan and Company, Cyril Amarchand Mangaldas, and DSK Legal, with experts from these firms serving as professors of practice. Students can also participate in semester abroad programs at institutions like UC Berkeley and Morer School of Law, with options for tuition fee waivers, and pursue master's programs at universities such as Motor School of Law and Nottingham Trent University. Moving on now to campus life rated 3.9 stars. Students participate in various committees related to moot court activities, cultural events and sports. Notable events include the annual fest, sports event Khel Utsav and energetic Garba nights. Lastly, as for the rankings, UPES Dehradun is currently ranked 28th in the NIRF 2024 law category. For more details on UPES Dehradun and to check out thousands of courses and college reviews, download the Shiksha.com app now. We'd like to hear from you, so do drop in a comment below and don't forget to like and share this video.